today I have my beautiful patient and we are doing a combination treatment on her, which is kind of what I love to do, especially with this new Clear and Brilliant. Now, one of the great things about Clear and Brilliant is that, actually, there's a few great things about Clear and Brilliant. One of the things is that it's for really a lot of my clients that are on the go. They don't have time to do a very big laser and to have kind of like a lot of downtime. For those clients, this is perfect because Clear and Brilliant has very minimal downtime. If anything, what you're going to experience maybe a few hours after the laser treatment is a little bit of redness. As you can see, my client's getting a little bit red on the areas that I treated, which is right now is just in the forehead. And that redness will go down in the next few hours. Another great thing about this laser is that it's great to combine it with a lot of other treatments that we have here in the office. So today, what we're combining with the Clear and Brilliant will be microneedling. That's one of your options, which will help to deal with a lot of textural issues as well as a little bit of hyperpigmentation. Now, another great thing that you can combine the Clear and Brilliant laser with are other treatments like Moxie. You can do it with Fractora. That's actually one of my favorite combinations is the Clear and Brilliant with Fractora because Fractora is great. It's kind of like microneedling. I say like on steroids because Fractora is microneedling with radio frequency. And that radio frequency is really what's going to help to remodel a lot of your textural scars. Now, on top of that, we will be adding PRP. Now, PRP is great because it's your own growth factors. I mean, you can't get more natural than using PRP to help with the healing process. You can apply it topically on the surface of your skin, which will help you heal a little bit better. You can also inject PRP into, so many areas. We do it into the scalp to help with hair growth. We can also do it kind of on the face as well. Now, tonight, one of the great things I like to combine with Clear and Brilliant is our Aerify kit, which is a complexion brightening kit. Now, I want you guys to take a look because we're going to be working with the Aerify kit tonight at 8 p.m. Catch us live, myself and Lindsay. We're going to be applying the kit on myself. I am super, super excited. I kind of want to just have Dr. Emer do some Clear and Brilliant on me first before we apply it. But the combination of Clear and Brilliant, a complexion brightening kit, will take care of a lot of the pigmentation issues you may have. So right now she's been numbing a little bit before this procedure. It makes it a little bit more comfortable. What you feel is maybe some warmth. Of course, as we go along, she turns a little bit red. But like I said, that redness will decrease in the next few hours. Afterwards, she may experience a little bit of kind of like a sandpaper texture feeling. Now, this is nothing that anyone can actually see. It's really just what you feel. Like your skin feels a little bit like sandpaper, but that goes away. And especially if you combine this treatment with really good skincare, like what we have here at Emer Cosmetics, you're going to get even better results. So right now she's dealing with a little bit of textural issues, a little bit of pigmentation issues, but we are working diligently to get her skin where it needs to be. And she's already had some really great improvements, which we're already excited about. And now she's doing her maintenance things with the Clear and Brilliant, with the microneedling, the PRP. Now, one of the questions you may ask is kind of what's different between this one and our older Clear and Brilliant. Well, with this one, you can actually use both hand pieces at the same time. It just makes it really convenient. So right now, I am using the Permea hand piece on her, which deals more with pigmentation issues in 1927. But there's also another hand piece that's in the cradle here that deals with a lot of enlarged pores, textural issues. And really, if I wanted to, I could combine treatments and do a couple of passes with this one, a couple of passes with the other one, and kind of address all of our issues at the same time.
All right, Nisha, we have someone has a message for our patient. Clear and Brilliant with microneedling and PRP is a killer combo. I should know I went to your office for the treatment myself.
Yay! So we have some people themselves that are saying this is a great combination therapy, and it's perfect, honestly, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't have a lot of downtime, but you still want to take care of your skin, you still want to help get that summer glow, then this is the perfect perfect combination treatment for you because you literally have no downtime. But yet you're going to get all the benefits of doing regular maintenance for your skin and taking care of your skin kind of from the inside out and from the outside in. Let me know if you have any questions.
Nisha, what skin types is this safe for?
Now, that's one of the great things about this laser, but it's also one of the great things for the Aerify kit, which we're going to be, we're not combining it this time, but we're going to talk more about the Aerify kit tonight. This laser is great for all skin tones. So she can use it on her skin tone. I can use it on my skin tone. I'm about a Fitzpatrick 5 or 6. It's good for all skin tones because of the way that it works. It actually won't mess with your or target your melanin at all. So a lot of times for my clients that are more skin tone like mine, this is one of my go-to lasers that I recommend on them because it's so perfect for them. I'm going to do your chin.
So it said, hi Nisha, we'll see you in a couple weeks.
Yes, I'm so excited. I get so excited to do this treatment, guys. I can't wait to see you in office.
See, and tell us about the downtime. She's only going to be red for how long? A few hours?
Yeah, she's only going to be red for a few hours. You can kind of see right now I've treated half of her face. So I want you guys to kind of take a look at her redness. She has a little bit more redness down here. I actually did treat her forehead, but this is where she's having a little bit more redness compared to her untreated side. So the redness is very minimal. Yes, you get a little bit of red, but this is how red you typically get. Now, this may vary a little bit from client to client, but this is about average for our clients. This will go down in a few hours. It'll go back to normal. And once again, you may have a little bit of a sandpaper texture feeling for 2 to 3 days afterwards, but even that goes away. And that's not anything that anybody sees. They can't tell, they can't look at your skin and say, oh, you had something done. It's really just something that you feel. So if you're always on the go, but you still want to take care of yourself, you want to have a great summer, but still have great skincare, this is definitely something you want to add to your routine.
Okay, someone's asking, does this work on scars and is it painful?
Well, I'm going to let our client ask, is it painful?
No, it feels just, it feels like just a little bit of heat, and on the forehead it felt a little bit ticklish actually. So, but I mean, I definitely feel like more sensitive maybe towards the ear area, but it's definitely tolerable. I've had more painful lasers. This is not painful.
Perfect. So this laser is not very uncomfortable at all, especially if you have the appropriate kind of numbing beforehand. She's had about 30 minutes of numbing. So like she said, she feels a little bit of heat, which is to be expected from any laser, but it's a very, very comfortable procedure to have done. This is something you can definitely have done on your lunch break if you want to and go back to the office. You only need about 20 to 30 minutes to have this done, and then you're all good to go.
All right, and guys, this is what's coming out of our glasses. These are from Innovative Optics. As you can see, these are really great. And I even have our Instagram handle on them right there. It says @JasonMD.
If I haven't seen you in the office yet, be sure to get yourself booked. You guys know how to get in contact with us. I would love to see you. I would love to treat you. I would love to be a part of your hot girl or hot boy summer to make your skin glow while you're out today.
Nisha, what other areas of the body can we use this?
We can use this everywhere. I mean, I've used it on the back. I've used it on the arms, the hands. Any place, say for example, you have a little bit of pigmentation issues, we can use this laser. The great news is because it's so gentle, it really doesn't pose a problem. Of course, you want to do your appropriate skincare afterwards. If you guys have any questions about what is a good skincare when you're doing lasers, then I want you guys to come on in and talk to our skincare specialist Or you can schedule a virtual consultation with our skincare specialist, and they can talk to you about what skincare would be great to address the kind of textural or any type of pigmentation issues you may have. What I would normally combine this with is a good face wash, like our foaming polish. I would also combine this with AOXC, which is what we have here as part of our Emer Cosmetics. It's a really nice vitamin C, Hyla B, which is hyaluronic acid, all those great things. You always want to make sure you end with a good moisturizer and a good sunscreen. Here we use Isden, which is really nice. But if you combine lasers like this as part of your maintenance, and then add in great skincare, I mean, you're gonna have just really amazing results. Now, of course, the treatments that you need will be dependent on kind of what your concerns are, what issues you have. But if you have a consultation with us, we'll be happy to let you know what's probably gonna work best for you. Got about 75% of her face treated. I just didn't treat the cheek yet. I just want you guys to kind of see what's treated versus untreated, what's downtime. This is the downtime for the Clear and Brilliant. It's a very great laser, great for all skin tones, minimal downtime, a little bit of redness. It won't get much redder than this after treatment. This will go away in a few hours. You can exercise, you can do all of that. It doesn't have really many restrictions at all. Of course, we are fanatics for having good skincare and avoiding the sun at all costs. So that's going to kind of be the aftercare for laser, to avoid the sun or to wear your sunscreen. But this is it, guys, the Clear and Brilliant laser. Like I said, this is a great treatment for those that are on the go. If you want to combine it with other treatments like microneedling, which we're doing today, PRP, which we're also doing today, or if you want to combine it with an Aerify kit, which is our complexion brightening kit that we're going to be doing tonight. If you want to know more about our Aerify kit, how does it work, how does this feel, I will be doing a live tonight at 8 p.m. with Lindsay. I'm going to be applying it to myself when I get home tonight, and I'm going to show you guys the progress of my skin tone, right? I'm going to show you how it looks, how it brightens my complexion, how it addresses the concerns that I have. I would love if you guys were a part of that tonight at 8 p.m. We'll be talking about it no more. You can join the live. I'll be at my Instagram page, Nisha_the_PA, and Dr. Emer's page. And you'll be able to see the whole process of how you apply the peel. This is actually very relaxing. Let me know if you guys have any questions.
Now, guys, we're doing a live with Lindsay from our office. You guys know Lala Lindsay. She's been in lives before. Usually she does jump into our Aerify lives, and now she does takeovers where she takes Dr. Emer's spot.
In just a minute, we're going to start her microneedling. For her, we are treating both the face and the neck, which are the main areas that I recommend you treat when you're doing lasers. Don't forget about the neck. That's also very important in your skincare, right? Because when you look at someone, you look at the face, you see the neck. So you don't want to forget to get your neck treated as well.
Alright, guys, if you do want to know the price of this, you're going to have to send us a DM with your full name, email, and phone number for us to reach out to you. Or you can send us an email to appointments@jasonemermd.com. We would love to get you in touch with Nisha or Dr. Emer to get you some treatment.
Feels good, actually.
I'm telling you, it's kind of relaxing.
Yeah.
That's why I get so relaxed at work.
Relaxing for you too?
Yeah,
It's like a meditative exercise.
it is. That's why I'm happy to get to do it every day.
Alright, Nisha, what is the name of this procedure?
So this is called Clear and Brilliant. This is a laser that we use, it really depends on what your textural concerns are, kind of the things you want to address. But this is a great laser that I like to recommend for a lot of my patients because not only will it address kind of multiple things, but it's great because it's very, very minimal downtime. Have you tucked your upper lip? You can combine this laser with a lot of different treatments. Right now, we're combining the Clear and Brilliant laser, which is going to address a lot of our hyperpigmentation issues, enlarged pores. It's going to address a little bit of fine lines and wrinkles. We're going to combine this with microneedling and PRP. Microneedling, we're going to create kind of these little micro holes in the surface of her skin. That's going to promote her body to heal it and really remodel some of the scars and pigmentation issues she may have. And of course, she's going to have really expedited healing because she's on the appropriate amount of skincare, which is, of course, with Emer Cosmetics. It's a little spicy on the upper lip. I like to call it spicy. And your nose as well. I know, now you can relax. We're done with that part.
Spicy.
If you like spicy, this is perfect.
No, we're not in the microneedling yet. Our microneedling will be done after. Right here, this is our skin pen. We'll be doing that, and then we'll be applying PRP. Can we do this for acne scars, Nisha?
Yes, this is a great treatment for acne scars. Typically, what we recommend is that you get on a combination treatment to take care of your active acne. And then you're on something like this for a maintenance therapy. Of course, we love to combine it with microneedling and PRP. Once again, sometimes those acne scars, you need more than one treatment. You need more than one kind of laser or modality to treat it. So this is a perfect combination for you.
Will this help tighten skin?
So if you want more skin tightening, we have a lot of great things that are out there. We have Morpheus 8, we have all therapy, Thermage. Of course, it really depends on what areas you want to treat. If you want a consultation to see what's going to work best for you, make sure you DM us. First name, last name, and email address. Is that right?
First, last, email, and phone number, guys.
So this is after treatment of her face. As you can see, she's a little bit red, but not too red. Still looks pretty good. We're going to do some microneedling, but first I'm going to treat her neck. I'm going to have you turn, just like that. Perfect. A little more spicy down there?
I've just never experienced it on my before, so it feels different. But yeah, it's spicy.
Everyone laughs when I call it spicy. They're like, yeah, that's a good word for it.
It's spicy. It's just different, that's all.
Yeah, it's a different feeling. So that brings out another kind of point that I would love to make. Say, for example, you are a little bit intimidated by lasers. You're kind of, you may have some concerns with kind of doing a laser. Maybe you have some textural issues or hyperpigmentation, and you really just don't know, right? You kind of want to get your feet wet with lasers. This is something great to start off with so you can kind of get used to the process, used to coming in, getting your numbing, and then having this done. And then once you gain that confidence, you can go ahead and step up to a bigger laser if needed to address your other concerns. So that's why I really like this laser as well.
So let's see where we are located. Guys, we are in West Hollywood, California, USA. For those of you outside of the country.
We're treating her neck.
Is there a laser that tightens and reduces eye bags?
Tightens and reduces eye bags. So it really just going to depend. A part of this will really depend kind of on how, right? Like how eye bags, like how does it look? We have to really have an evaluation to kind of talk to you and see if it's something that we can take care of in the office, or if we need to, we can get you where you need to be. It's always going to be combination treatment, right? Say, for example, you want to do something in the office, maybe not surgical. We definitely have options to take care of you. But like I said, a part of it will be us evaluating you to see how it looks, right? And see what we can do.
Oh, the neck is so spicy.
The neck is spicy, guys. We're gonna hurry up and get through this. We're almost done with the neck. You're doing great.
With that side or just...
So that side, yeah. You're so cute. Like I said, this is a great combination treatment. Right now we're doing the clear and brilliant, the premier handpiece. Give her a few seconds.
Okay.
You're doing awesome. To look perfect, perfect. Once again, this is treated, this is untreated. We'll move back over, we'll get this done, and then we'll move over to her microneedling. Move over to the microneedling and go ahead and give her some additional improvement for a little bit of a textural issue she has. A little bit of scarring here, but honestly, she's really great at doing her maintenance lasers, and she's already had a lot of great improvement with her acne scarring, her textural issues. Put your feet up, and there you go. We'll go ahead and get you a fan, which will help cool you down. Now, afterwards is exactly what you're gonna feel. You're gonna, sometimes patients will describe kind of like a sunburn type of feeling where they feel really warm. What I recommend is that you do like a small fan. It'll kind of show you. This will help with a little bit of that warm feeling. There you go. I'm going to have you raise your right hand. There you go. So having a fan like this really helps. I don't want you to put any ice directly on your skin, but standing in front of the AC, anything cooling will help to kind of calm you down. This will go away within the next within an hour or so of treatment. Perfect. I know, this is kind of like warming you up. I know you were saying you were pretty chilly before.
That's changed.
So great combination treatment with the Clear and Brilliant. Used for all skin tones. Great for those on the go. Great if you just want minimal downtime in general. Maybe you want to prepare for a special event that's coming up. You only have a few days to get ready. You kind of just want to do something nice for your skin. This is great to do. Maybe you want to do something on a monthly basis to take care of your skin, but you're always on the go and you just don't have the time to be in the office for an extended period of time. Like I said, guys, you can get this done within 20 to 30 minute treatment after you do your numbing, and then you're out of the door. You have an hour lunch break, that's perfect. You'll be in and out and no one will even notice. You maybe have a little bit of redness, but that's about it. No downtime, or very, very minimal downtime. And your skin will thank you for it.
Because you went about the time, we have been going on for about 23 minutes. That's about Nisha's spot on with our treatment time. That's how long it does take.
And this is treating both the face and the neck. Like I said, lunchtime procedure, if you're in the area, you're close.
We can call it lunchtime laser.
Lunchtime laser, that's what we're going to call this. If you're visiting California, only have a few days, you want to get treated here in the office, always give us a call, DM us. We can get you scheduled. If you're interested in skincare, we can have you set up with our skincare specialist. We offer great facials in the office. That's another good thing to combine these type of lasers with, is if you want to get a facial beforehand, maybe you have some blackheads, you want to do some extractions, we can get that done, and then we can definitely go ahead and do your clear and brilliant laser. Perfect. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good.
Good. This fan is everything. So good.
All right, so now we're gonna move on. Like I said, we're doing combination treatments today, so we're gonna move on to a little bit of microneedling. If you wanna really expand it, you can combine Clear and Brilliant with microneedling and our Aerify kit. Once again, we're gonna talk more about our Aerify kit tonight, but I'll give you just a little sneak peek of what's inside the kit. A lot of great products and masks that you leave on for a few hours. I'll be putting my mask on tonight, and then skincare that you're going to use afterwards to kind of enhance your results. So this is literally a great combination treatment with the Clear and Brilliant, Microneedling, PRP, and Aerify kit. Now we're going to move on to doing a little bit of microneedling.
And is this like a rolling one or is this a stamping one?
So the microneedling, it actually rotates, it goes in and out, so it's not a stamper at all.
So it's a rolling one?
I guess if you had, oh, actually,
Glide.
Huh?
yeah, it's more so gliding. I'm gonna let you take a look at it.
Okay. Hello.
It makes
what does the tip look like?
just like this.
So it's, oh, okay.
Yeah. I guess it's like an automatic
I've
stamper.
done
Yeah.
this one before, actually.
Yeah, you've done this one.
Yeah. Sorry, I was confused.
Perfect. So I'm gonna put a little bit of PRP on here because this is what I'm gonna be using. We like to call the PRP liquid gold. We can also combine this with a few other things to microneedle into your skin, but honestly, PRP is the best thing to use.
Oh, it's the best.
Oh, yeah.
I love this one. Oh.
This is our skin
Oh,
pin.
sounds so intense.
I know. I promise it isn't, but this is the thing is sometimes it can be a little bit spicy on the forehead. A little spicy, right?
Yeah.
How's that? Little tester.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect. So the skin pin can be a little bit more spicy on the forehead. We're microneedling, so that can be a little bit. Now look at this, guys. With skin pin or with your microneedling, you don't need a whole lot of bleeding, but you will get a little bit of pinpoint bleeding. I'll show you guys kind of what happens. It's a little bit of a delayed effect with the pinpoint bleeding, but that's really all you need.
I'll put this down for now.
Oh, you're fine.
All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll see you tonight at 8.
We're gonna see you tonight at 8 p.m. for a live application of Aerify. I can't wait to see you guys then. Bye, guys.